This is the SwannBuddy4K video doorbell, and it has a secret that I'm going to share with you. Home security is so important in today's world, and people seem to think that they are entitled to break into our homes as they please. So the most simple thing that you can do is get a smart doorbell. And the reasons why are endless, but I'll give you 3. And keep watching this video to see how you can win one of these for yourself. So let's unbox this and get it set up. This doorbell from Swann is a wireless video doorbell that can live feed and record via heat, motion, and people detection. Welcome to the family. With a 4K resolution, you are seeing high quality footage all through your mobile phone or compatible device, thanks to the Swann app. You're not home and the postman arrives with a package? That's a nice looking doorbell. Talk to him in the app with the 2-way audio and let him know where you want him to leave the package. And we have the chime. As the doorbell is wireless, it has a rechargeable battery, so you can take it down to charge, which is great for many scenarios, especially if you are a renter. But you also have the option to wire it in as well, so that way it will never go flat. One thing with security doorbells like this is a lot of them make you pay for storage. But with the SwannBuddy, you get free local recording with the 32GB micro SD card that's included. But you do have the option to use cloud storage too if you'd like. Installing the doorbell is super simple. I'm using it on battery rather than hardwiring it, but all you need to do is install the bracket where you'd like it. I personally have it on an angle. Then the doorbell slides on and clips into place, allowing you to then screw in the base screw to keep it secure and safe from being stolen. Setting up in the app is really straightforward. Scan the QR code on the back of the camera, connect to your Wi-Fi, and follow the prompts. Then you're in. Don't forget about your chime. This is battery operated and can be placed anywhere in your house. It can move around with you as you move from room to room, or it can be stuck somewhere using the included double-sided stickers. Now, I mentioned that this has a secret, and the secret is Swann Shield AI voice assistant, which can actually talk to your visitors for you. I mentioned that you can get on the app and talk through the microphone to visitors yourself, but leave it to the doorbell instead. Hello?
How can I help?
Hi, I have a package for Liessshy.
G'day. Sounds like that's for the... Could you leave it behind the fence near the gas container on your right? Cheers, mate.
Yes, I can. No worries. Thank you.
Ace, appreciate it. Take care.
That was actually so cool. I'm very impressed. So now we're going to set up the Swann Shield AI voice assistant. And what you want to do is open your Swann app on your phone, head to devices and click on your doorbell. So there's a couple of settings to fill out. I'm just going to do that off camera because there are some personal details in here, as you do need your address listed. But what I will show you is there is a section for delivery instructions. So I've just added in some delivery instructions for anyone who is dropping off parcels. Now the fun part is we can choose a voice for the AI assistant. Now obviously I am Australian, so I'm going to go with an Australian option which says raspy voice with an Aussie accent. And we'll keep the demeanor as polite because we want to be nice to the people dropping off our parcels. I've also enabled night mode and away mode as well, so when I'm not home, this will work. So it is very important when you are setting up this AI assistant that you have your firmware up to date. So do check your app for any software updates because you need that to be up to date before this works. As you saw earlier, the video quality is really good and the AI voice assistant works better than what I expected. It's clear and concise while speaking in a true Australian accent, which really was something I wasn't expecting. It also keeps a transcript of the conversation AI had with the visitor too, which is super helpful to have as a backup. The best thing about a video doorbell is the fact that it's essentially a 2-in-1 device. It's a doorbell as well as a security camera. The 3 points that I mentioned I tell you earlier, we've already discussed one of them, and it's the fact that this is great for deliveries and when the postman arrives. But the other 2 are that it's a deterrent for those pesky porch pirates, thanks to AI of course, and it's a cheaper alternative to having at least one top quality security camera. I personally understand that not everyone can afford a full security system, but this is a fantastic starting point and one that has a pretty good viewing angle too. So wherever you put it at your front door, it's going to pick up a really wide view, of course being in 4K. So here is how you can get your own. Swann have given me a special discount code for you to use on Swann's website, and you'll get 25% off your own SwannBuddy4K doorbell. The code is Liessshy25 and this offer is limited, so be sure to read the info down in the description as well as clicking the link to shop there too. But They have also been kind enough to host a giveaway over on my Instagram, which I'll leave on the screen now. So head there and enter to be in the running to win one of 3 SwannBuddy4Ks. I just want to thank Swann for giving back to my community. So overall, I think we all know home security is so important, and building an ecosystem of home security products is something that's going to benefit our homes, it'll benefit our families, and of course us. And there's no better time than to grab one right now.